It's a fact that over time, the struts on every vehicle wear out. Because replacing worn struts can be time-consuming and complicated, GSP created an entire strut spring combo we call our ADVANTEDGE loaded strut that comes as a complete assembly that will save you time and money during installation. We're going to install a GSP strut assembly in this video to show you exactly how simple it really is. Here are a couple of tips to keep in mind during your install. The piston rod section of your strut must never be clamped or gripped with any type of tool. If the polished surface has any imperfections or scratches, it will cause premature failure of the part. Also, make sure you never apply heat to any part of the strut. Struts are gas pressurized and heat can severely damage the part. Do not at any time remove the piston rod lock nut on the top of your strut assembly. These nuts are under pressure and can cause injury and damage if they are removed. And finally, always make sure you wear and use proper safety equipment whenever you work on your vehicle. Remember to work on one strut at a time and complete the removal and install before moving on to the next strut. Start the install by raising your vehicle off the ground to a comfortable working level. Once you've achieved the desired work height, secure the vehicle with safety stands to ensure the vehicle is safe to work on. Remove the wheel and tire from the vehicle. Locate the upper mounting nuts of your vehicle's bearing plate and loosen them, but do not fully remove them. For our 2015 GMC Terrain, we'll be replacing the factory struts that are a double bolt pinch design from the factory. For double bolt designs, unfasten the lower mounting nuts and slide the bolts out of their mounting holes and retain the hardware you've just removed. Remove sway bar link or steering connections to the strut if so equipped. Then remove the upper mounting nuts. New upper mounting nuts are included in your kit, so you may discard your old mounting nuts. Now you're ready to remove the entire strut assembly from the wheel well. Insert your new GSP ADVANTEDGE strut and then tighten the upper mounting bolts. Connect the lower mounting bolts and nuts to one another on both sides. Once they're hand tightened into place, torque them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect the sway bar link or steering connections to the strut. You may proceed to install any other equipment that was removed during the install of the strut and spindle assembly, including your wheel and tire. Ensure every part is installed and torqued to the specifications laid out in your vehicle's service manual. Once the install is complete, you may lower the vehicle down onto the ground. And it is always recommended that you take your vehicle into a service shop to have a full alignment done anytime major suspension components are removed and/or replaced. Hopefully this video shows you how simple it is to install GSP's ADVANTEDGE strut assembly. And you can see exactly why our strut assemblies should be on your list of brands to look for whenever you're working on your vehicle.